Okay, guys, today it's Christmas. Now, it's not really Christmas. It's Christmas. Oh, wrong machine.
You dumbass, put that away.
Stand by. I'll be back. Okay, guys, it's Christmas today. Again, not really Christmas, but I finally got the right machine. This is the day the Harley gets a new battery. I'll be back in a second. Here's the battery I'm replacing. Oh, yeah, it's a lithium-ion battery. See if you guys can see it. 480 cold cranking amps. Yeah. Anyway, this battery's been in since around 14. So it's lost its oomph. Probably hasn't lost any capacity, but it's lost its cold oomph. And it's still turning this thing over, but I got to go through a longer warm-up period, and the temperature of which I have to go through a warm-up period has gone up. So I'm making a lot of assumptions here. Anyway, this is the one that's coming out, and we got a Noco 600 cold cranking amp going back in with battery monitoring system. Yay. Okay, here you go, guys. Check this out. Noco gives you these things. They're like little building blocks or Legos. You stick them together, see? And they go under the battery. They clip right in. And, make it easy. Like, there's another one sitting on the ground here. And there's one under the battery. Now, check this out. This bit perfect. This guy here, underneath there. And it locks into the battery, too. I mean, this is really cool. And then one foam pad up the top. This thing is in there. I didn't need anything on the sides. This battery is in there. And it's not going to rattle, which is cool. I really, really like this. This took some thought. Okie doke. And look, they give you these little caps for the batteries so that while you're installing it, you don't get a fupa. We don't want to have any fupas, because then you wind up with foobar. Anyway, I'll see you in a second when I get it hooked up. Now remember, when you're taking a battery out, the first one that comes off is your negative. You never want to take the positive off first. You get a wrench up against the head or something, especially, no. Take the negative off, and then you can put a wrench up against anything, and it's not going to do anything. Take that positive off. No. So then going back on, you put the positive on first, and then you put the negative on. Anyway, so much for that. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, there it is, all strapped in. They didn't include the bolts. Give me a nice little Allen wrench because it's a multi-angle terminal on the top. But they need to include the bolts for the battery. So I had to use the old ones. They're still shiny in good shape. So, yeah, there it is. It's installed. Yay. All right. Anyway, no mishaps yet. Stay tuned. It's me doing this, so you never know what can happen. Okay, guys. This here is the moment of truth. That's with 2 F's. Got the seat back on. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to stoop down on it here so you guys can see it. I can. See that bolt? That has a Phillips head on it from the factory. I don't know what it is why they put a bolt in it. So I replaced it. 1/4 inch. Stainless steel, 316. Yeah. Anyway, and then I did the same thing back here. Who would put a Phillips on that? 316 again. Ah, yes. Now for a moment of truth. Here we go. We're going to go. Now, this is a cold start. Haven't tried it yet. So, yeah. And look, proof. I don't want to touch them. Yeah, I'll touch the pipes. See, I'll touch them back here where the heat shielded. Ice cold. Haven't tried it. Honest. So here we go. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it right now. Wait a minute. Look, I'll be back in a minute. No. In my haste of doing this, I forgot to turn the ignition on. How about that? So there. Let everything go the way it's going to go. All the lights are out. Oh, this is going to be fun. Here we go. Cold start. Oh! Did you hear that? Did you hear that thing whip that engine over like there was no tomorrow? Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah. 600 cold cranking amps, Noco battery. It doesn't get any better than this. I got to do it again. Yeah. Wait. Here we go. We're going to do it again. Watch. Ooh.